Guys, welcome back to another video. It's Trey the DIY Ninja, and today we are going to be reviewing and applying these custom keycaps. Okay, so I bought these blank keycaps. If I zoom in, you can see there's no legend on any of the keys. And this came in white and purple. So there's that. And I got these on Amazon for a pretty affordable price. I believe it was less than $20, or at least definitely less than $25. I'll put the link in the description box below if you're interested in checking these out. I'm going to be applying these onto my RK71 Royal KLUDGE. I don't know how to say it, but Royal KLUDGE mechanical keyboard. If you haven't checked out my previous video, I'll put the card up here for you to check out on how my review on these chrome keycaps and where I applied them. So yep, the link to the video will be up here, and the link to the chrome keycaps will be in the description box down below. Okay, so these keycaps came with a keycap puller and this vacuum packed set of keycaps. I think once I open them though, they're gonna get all moved around and mixed up. So we're gonna have to figure out a way to do that. Right now, my main intention for these keycaps is to actually customize each and every one. But I think for now I'm just going to be applying it onto the keyboard, just to see how it feels and looks like and sounds like, in case you really just want this colorway, this white and looks like kind of lavender purple, kind of like my nails, right? Yeah, I think it matches pretty close. Let's take a look. Close enough. Yeah, it's basically the color of my nails, which is pretty cool. Don't mind my nails. Again, they are press-ons, and I'm testing out a nail product and they are lifting, so yeah. Don't mind the way they look, but yeah. But yeah, it matches my nails. This is probably my favorite color, lavender, and then the white. I got to try out some print methods onto customizing keycaps. So make sure you stay tuned for future novelty keycap making. Okay, so let's open this guy up and apply it onto the keyboard. Okay, let's take a look at the keycap before we actually install it. I believe this is a Cherry MX profile. The back section seems higher, and then this front part is a little lower, and then there is like a little finger divot or valley for your finger. The quality feels really good. Can't bend it, and then there is a plus sign or a cross in the center here. Okay, so let's just move this over. I'm gonna zoom in so you can take a look. So this is what the bottom of the keycap looks like, or the switch. I have red switches on this keyboard, so let's just put this in. Let me zoom in a little bit. There we go. And just pop it in. Let's see. There we go. So these are the chrome custom keycaps, and this is the PBT lavender keycaps. It does have a different feel. It feels a lot more similar to the caps that came with the keyboard, whereas the chrome ones have like kind of a better quality feel, though they were a lot more expensive. They also seem a little louder. Okay. let me finish putting the rest on and then we'll be right back. Okay, so just a disclaimer. This is what the keycap looks like all the way, and I didn't realize this, but I put in the keys backwards. So you're gonna see throughout most of this video I'm putting in the keys backwards, but in the end I do fix them. So there is like a little valley for your finger that goes, it's supposed to go vertical, and if you look on this end, this side is higher than this side. So there's a little curve here, and then this one is less of a curve. It's kind of more straight, and it's also higher. So you want to put this curved, shorter side pointing away from you, and the taller side pointing towards you, facing towards you. At least that's what my husband says. If he's wrong, let me know in the comment box down below, but he knows more about keyboards than me, so I'm just gonna believe him, and it does seem to be better, so I had to switch all my keys and pop them back out and put them in the right direction. So I just wanted to save you guys the hassle before you watch this whole video and realize that I'm putting them in the wrong way. So I put them in with the tall side facing away from me, but it should be the tall side facing towards you. Okay, just wanted to make that clear.